Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, let's do a cold start video on my mom's 2007 Chevrolet Tahoe Police Interceptor. It is the Tahoe Police Interceptor. It's got the spotlight right here. It's actually raining out today, but it's very cold outside. This thing has 209,178 miles. When we bought this thing, it had 201,000 miles. So we put like 9,000 miles on it. Here's the key. Let's go and start it up. Not a problem. It's got an automatic on the column. Very nice truck. Very nice. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed.